Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CATS token. Now the CATS token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token and is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 20th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the CATS token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the CATS project is an innovative initiative launched on BEP20 chain aiming to redefine digital asset engagement and management in the blockchain space. Leveraging the efficiency and security features of BSC, CATS introduces a unique token, the CATS token, designed to facilitate various ecosystem interactions and reward structures within our platform. Now, this is a Binance Smart Chain token, and it's getting a brand new central exchange listing December 20th at 9 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search CATS, and then simply just buy the token. So the CATS project is an innovative initiative launched on the Binance Smart Chain, aiming to redefine digital asset management and community engagement in the blockchain space. Now, their key goals, number one is innovate in asset management. Our primary goal is to offer a seamless and user-friendly platform for digital asset management, making it accessible to a broader audience. Number two, community-centric approach. We aim to build a strong, engaged community around the CATS ecosystem, involving them in decision-making and reward distribution. Number three, sustainable ecosystem development. Developing a self-sustaining ecosystem where CATS is used for various purposes like governance, staking, and rewards. So their value proposition, number one, is efficiency of the Binance Smart Chain. So utilizing BSC, high throughput and low transaction costs, CATS offers a more efficient and cost-effective platform compared to similar projects on other blockchains. Number two, unique rewards and governance system. Our tokenomics are designed to incentivize both long-term holding and active participation, distributing rewards through airdrops, community initiatives, and partnerships. Number three, scalability and interoperability. The project is built for scalability with plans to integrate cross-chain functionalities, enhancing the token's utility across various blockchain ecosystems. Now, their competitive advantage, number one, leveraging Binance Smart Chain's capabilities. Our choice of BSC as the underlying blockchain gives us an edge in terms of speed, efficiency, cost effectiveness, especially when compared to other projects on Ethereum. Community-focused model. So unlike many projects that overlook community engagement, CATS prioritizes its community, offering them real power and governance and a significant share in the token distribution. And lastly, diverse use cases for CATS. The utility of CATS goes beyond simple transactions. It's integral to governance, ecosystem rewards, and various platform functionalities, ensuring a constant demand and utility. So the CATS project, operating on the BNB chain, under the BRC20 standard, represents a novel approach in the digital token space, originating from a deep analysis of current market trends and user needs. CATS is a response to the growing demand for tokens that offer more than just financial gains. The project draws inspiration from the success of various blockchain-based initiatives, but seeks to carve out a unique niche by focusing on community engagement and practical utility. So yeah, community engagement, utility integration, incentive programs, and cross-chain functionality is what they offer. And the CATS project is tailored to meet the needs of a diverse user base, including blockchain advocates, casual users seeking community, businesses and retail partners, investors looking for stability, and content creators and influencers. So the tokenomics overview of CATS, it says it is on the BNB chain, but then it says BRC20 standard. But if you actually look at this token, they are a Binance Smart Chain token, and you can find them on BSC Scan. They say on their BSC Scan there is a max total supply of 21 billion CATS tokens. Pretty well established project so far. They have 3,266 holders already, and there's 18 decimal places on this token. You can follow their Telegram at CATS_official channel, 8,107 subscribers. They have a Twitter, I'm going to put up right here, brand new project. Twitter just joined in August 2023, 22,100 followers, 72 tweets. At CATS_BNB chain, has the contract address right there if you're looking for it. And yeah, then their webpage is at catstoken.space. Over there you could find their socials. You could also find a full white paper over there. It'll take you over to cats-1.gitbook.io is where you could find their document section. So they offer decentralization, transparency, interoperability. It's on the BNB chain. And then the token distribution, 20% of the tokens go to airdrop. 17% goes to team, 11% goes to community, 6% partners, 41% ecosystem, 5% mobility. Now they have a roadmap on here, starting with planning and team formation, smart contract development, and beta testing and community building, official launch. And then in the future, they're going to expand new features, community voting, like DAO, basically, governance, reward system to increase user engagement, and innovation and growth, ecosystem development, etc. will be coming in the future. Charitable stuff, NFT integration, cross-chain platforms, stuff like that. So basically, right now, it is very much just a meme token. Little to no utility as of yet, but in the future, they plan to expand, is what they're saying. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 20th, 9 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.